What up guys, welcome to our 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartment here in Marina del Rey, California. My wife and I and Doug, we've been living here for about a year and a half now, but we're actually moving next week. And not only are we moving from this apartment, but we're moving out of state. So we wanted to make this video to give a tour of our place, but also to talk about why we're leaving the great state of California. All right, look, there's nothing like living in Los Angeles, right? I mean, Southern California, probably the most beautiful state in the country. We got, in a 3-hour radius, we got lakes, mountains, metropolis, beach, snowboarding. You can snowboard and surf in the same day. I mean, there's nothing like it. But we're paying $4,700 a month for our rent. And, you know, so real estate prices out here are pretty much the primary reason why it's sort of driving us out. All right, so look, it's not like California is expensive for no reason. I mean, this is literally our backyard. That's part of what we're paying for. This is 10 minutes away from our house. And we've been lucky enough to, you know, this is the spot that we walk Odie at every night. And we're living on the west side, which is maybe my favorite neighborhood in all of California. You know, beautiful sunsets at the beach every night. All right, so look, basically Carleigh and I are at the point in our lives. It's a new chapter. We want to buy a home and maybe start a family, right? So you look at the cheapest house in the entire west side of LA, it's this. It's $1.2 million and it's, you know, 900 square feet. To me, that's insane, right? You look at Charlotte, a really nice neighborhood that we're interested in. For the same price, you can get something overly extravagant. We don't need anything this nice. But the point is, our jobs are online. We work remote, so this is making a lot more sense. Real estate, cost of living, definitely a big reason why we're out of here, but probably the number one reason why we're moving from Cali is just the desire to be around family. You know, Carleigh and I, our family's in, the majority's in Ohio, Florida, North Carolina, Virginia, DC. So it just makes a lot of sense for us to be in the East Coast. There are other factors, you know, the tax situation in Cali, and, you know, maybe I'll get a little controversial here, but also just not huge fans of the leadership of the state. And over the last couple of years, especially with the pandemic, you know, their flaws, let's just say, to us have just kind of been exposed. Anyways, enough of that. We love the state. We love Cali. We're going to be coming back probably twice a year at least. And who knows, maybe we'll regret our decision and be back to live permanently sooner than you know. But let's get back to the home tour. Carleigh's going to show you our living room, which she crushed on the design. Let's get to it.
All right, guys, so this is our living dining room area where I am at like 99% of the time. And this is our living room with the sectional we have from Rove Concepts. There's like a lot of organic, modern elements mixed in here. We have like this fun CB2 table, but this funky like Caproni floor lamp, which I am obsessed with and will always have. And then we have this little side table I found from Amazon, you guys, and it has, don't mind the cords in the back, but it has all of our blankets and it's like a great storage, also a side table at the same time. 10 out of 10 recommend. So this is our entertainment center area with just shelving and like funky pieces. I just love like really fun sculptural elements and vases. Like I found this one from Etsy. And then this was a really good Target find, so comfortable and plush. This ends up being like the #1 seat anyone sits at when they come over because it's like one of the most comfortable seats. But anyways, I'll take you over to the dining room. And this table has been with us through all the places we've lived. Love this marble table so much, and it's extremely heavy. It's always a pain in the butt to move it back and forth, so it'll be really fun to move this time around. We need like 5 people literally to help us move just this table. But I love it so much, so it has to go with us everywhere. And then we have these chairs from France and Son. I thought they're like another great 70s modern look, and with these comfy cushions just to make it like a more livable space. And then if you take a look at our little gallery wall behind the table, just moments of Roberto and I from the photo of us when we first took photos together. I think, was that our first photo shoot that we like did together?
Yeah, it was.
And then a photo of us from Guatemala, a photo from Malibu and Joshua Tree. So like all of our favorite places right over here. And I can't forget this fun light fixture from Article. I love that it has like Ruth Asawa vibes to it. And we have Our big floor length mirror, it like makes this place look double wide, I guess, like way bigger than what it really is. And it's the best for all of our outfit of the day shots. Good to check out your outfit, and it just makes the place really cool and big at the same time. And last but not least in this place is this really fun console table sideboard. Everyone always mentions something about it whenever they're over. It's just always a fun, weird thing, but has like the best storage in it.
Guys, here's our kitchen. Honestly, it's just nothing fancy. It's probably kind of like your average apartment kitchen, you know? But the cool thing about this place is how Carleigh keeps our fridge. All right, guys, welcome to my office / studio. I've spent a ton of time in here over the last year and a half. Here's kind of like my main setup, my PC setup. This is where I've just been grinding, I've been working. But I'm not gonna go too in depth with this space right here. I actually did a video on it if you wanna go check it out. I'll link it somewhere here if I can figure out how to do that. I also wanted to mention this though. In our next home, we're gonna get ready to buy a home like I mentioned earlier in the video. My idea is to build the absolute dream studio / workspace. Stay tuned for that. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm guarantee you that one's gonna be a monster. I'm excited to bring that to you guys. All right, guys, here is our bedroom. Not gonna spend a whole lot of time in here. Probably the best part about the bedroom is that we get to wake up to a view of the marina, which is really, really dope. Got our Peloton here, and that's it, man. I mean, there's nothing too special here to show, except for Odie. What's up, baby? What's up, Brody? All right, and the last part of the house I wanted to show you guys is our rooftop, which is our patio, which has been great to have, especially during the pandemic. Just sort of a place to hang out, be outside, bring friends over. We're always eating here, lounging here. I even got a weight set in the corner, so it's sort of been like a fitness center when all the gyms were closed. I said appreciate you guys tuning in, watching the video. If this seemed like it was sort of hastily put together, it was, because right now we've been in the process of moving. We got boxes all over the place. It's been a ton of work, probably more than we anticipated. So I didn't have a lot of time to like sort of, you know, put this video together. But I think it probably turned out all right. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell. And I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos over the next few weeks. I'm gonna have to wait to get settled in sort of in North Carolina or wherever we're going next. But expect a lot of videos in the future. That's it. Catch you in the next one. Peace.